Where's the full HD? No full HD. So we'll do it old school way, just double click it, turn it on, and then we'll, oh, right, set up disk empty. So select a virtual disk name, virtual op disk names, right. So first one is Mint, so that's the one. Yes, and then we're gonna start it. Okay, so it changed a little bit, and previously it was like loading on in the loop, right? And then you would go to devices and mount, basically the same way that vCenter does it every day. You can uncapture the keyboard by doing right control. Well, that's not very convenient. Right. Okay, cool. Thank you, thank you. Mint login. All right, so probably it would boot into the virtual CD mod or something. Okay, so this is a decision to make, right? We have 4 machines prepared, and we're, oh, that was fast. I wonder if it's because I allocated memory and CPU for it, or is it just something else? Not entirely sure. Running in software rendering was currently starting Windows hardware acceleration, and the result you might observe much higher than normal CPU usage. Okay. Right, so we're going to install it. There is no need to explore it. Yeah, but as I mentioned earlier, we have actually 4 machines set up, but we're going to install them sequentially. Now, just to have a cleaner experience, not to mix things up. And also, I don't want to blow up my PC, right? I think it would handle 4 VMs if I would reduce the CPU count a little bit, although it doesn't matter. But the RAM, there is not enough RAM, I think. How much RAM do I have? Sorry guys, it's a new PC, so memory. Oh, no, I have enough RAM. That's okay. Right. Continue. You need at least, this computer has only 10. Okay. Yes, quit, and we are going to fix that. Save the power of the machine. Yes, no need in that. Okay, let's go to settings, disk, storage. Right, and we are going to. Is there a create new virtual hard disk HDI next dynamically allocated? Yes, and we're gonna give it 40 gigabytes, right? Something GB like this. Create. Just replaced it, right? Oh, I should have renamed it. Can I rename it? No, I cannot. Okay, we're going to create a new one. Next, dynamically allocated. Mint cinnamon. Right, and it's going to be 40 GB. Create. Already exists. You cannot. Okay, well, we need to go and actually delete it. So, Redman, cinnamon. VDI. Yes, we're going to shift delete those two. We are going to do the same here. Cancel, cancel. Yes, we are going to do it once more. Storage, main cinnamon, delete, controller setup, last, choose existing disk. Refresh. Right, so this is how you create problems, boys and girls. Right, next, dynamically allocated, mint cinnamon. Right, it's gonna be 40 GB. Already exists, mint cinnamon 1, okay, 40 GB. Okay, you win. You win. Okay, cool. Mint cinnamon. Go for it. Right. Okay, we already saw that notification coming up and automatic boot. Start compatibility or for manufacturing the memory was for drive. No. Okay, so probably I should have checked if there is a direct install option from here, but probably it needs to boot into desktop in order to open the wizard. Well, times being what they are, this is what you get. Okay, we do have sound coming in through. Install Linux Mint. Install Linux Mint, fantastic. Install English, yes, continue. Let's see if it justifies the size. What's the size of it? Linux Mint. Oh, it's kind of small, so probably there wouldn't be too much of a package selection process over here. Okay, yes, install the third party. Yeah, we're just doing a generic desktop Linux, and then we're gonna be booting them into headless mode just for the RDP later on, so we wouldn't consume too much memory of running the client. RAS disk, and yes, install now. That's what we need. If you continue, yes. Yeah. So we're gonna compare the file system creation as well, because in New York, are we in New York? Yes, we are in New York. Not really in New York, but okay. So my name is Altatap, right? And we're gonna choose ourselves a password. And just a generic password, fair. Login automatically, require now. Just gonna, yeah. So it's not going to be something professional over here. It's just going to be a little bit of testing ground, right? So we don't need to. All right, and we are back. Restart now. Let's see if it auto ejects the drive. I hope it does. Okay, please remove the installation video. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Right, and then press enter. Okay, so it's kind of in a list, but okay. So I guess it auto ejected, but the installer is still kind of warning me about it. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna be enough. Yeah, so historical news. Linux Mint was named Mint because one guy was installing Ubuntu and spelled on himself a Minty. That's what I was being told. Fun fact. No, seriously. I have no idea why they call it Linux Mint. It's just Linux Mint. But yeah, let's see how it comes up. If I get a full screen image or something, at least. Yeah, and also, yeah, so each one of these, well, I'm not going to run them in parallel, at least for not for now, right? So running in software rendering mode, yes, thank you. Welcome to Linux Mint. So what's devices? Webcams, no. Host guest, bi-directional drag and drop. Oh, okay, that's cool, but where is the screen. I have no idea. Show this dialog at startup. What? Okay. Change desktop background, create new folder, create new document, customize. Do I get the screen size somewhere? No, I don't. Okay. So configure. No, what? No, screen. Display. Display. Okay, well. Yes, so this is not the best option. Let's have the full screen option, right? So it's gonna be 120. Where's the full HD? Uh, no full HD. 1610. That's a little bit weird. 1610. Okay, apply. Let's see how it goes. Keep this configuration. Okay, so rotation, normal, detect displays. Yeah, it kind of unable to get it. So this one is going to be just too much, and this one is going to be what? Okay, well, that's a little bit annoying. Could not send configuration for. I don't even know what it means. But yeah. Okay, we can't do that anymore. All right, so now it's safe to stop this video because from this point on I just reboot the machine several times trying to get the screen size proper, and guess what? It's not working really well. So as a selection of a cost system, this one probably doesn't go. So we'll see what the next one brings to us. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.